Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Delta State Governor Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori says he is eternally grateful to God for the gift of a fulfilled life at 60. Right Honorable Oborevwori made a remark at a Thanksgiving service held recently in Asaba to celebrate his 60th birthday and successful inauguration as Governor of Delta State.
Right Honorable Sheriff Oborevwori and his family recently invited friends and well-wishers to a Thanksgiving service held at Winners Chapel, Asaba, to celebrate his 60th birthday and successful inauguration. At the Thanksgiving service, the Delta State Governor said considering the positive turnaround in his life, he had every reason to be grateful to God.
I promise God that I will come and thank Him because I am who I am today purely by the grace of God.
Dignitaries present at a colorful reception organized for guests were traditional rulers, political leaders and captains of industry. Former governors Ifeanyi Okowa and Emmanuel Uduaghan and their spouses also found time to be part of the celebration. The 60th birthday celebration of the Delta State Governor was attended by Anambra State Governor Professor Charles Soludo and Deputy Governors of Adamawa, Oyo, Bayelsa and Edo States. Speaking at the event, Professor Soludo and Deputy Governor of Edo State Philip Shoaibu, who represented Governor Godwin Obaseki, said Anambra and Edo States were ready to go into closer collaborations with Delta State in infrastructure development.
It's really a great pleasure to be with you today. I think with the two cities now joined by the second Niger bridge, I call it now the twin cities of Asaba and Onitsha. We have quite a lot to do for our people together in partnership. And I've come to have that handshake of partnership between Delta and Anambra State.
We are Bendel and remain Bendel. And on behalf of our state, we continue to collaborate as Bendel. And our prayer for you from Edo is that as you have started well, you will finish strong and well. And by the grace of God, Delta State will be better for it.
On conclusion of his 60th birthday celebration, Governor Oborevwori immediately went to work as he inspected some ongoing projects in Asaba and Okpanam areas of the Delta State Capital Territory. Projects inspected include the State High Court Complex, Asaba Phases 1 and 2 of flood control around Madonna College Road, Okpanam Drainage Channel around Koka through Agbalusia Ngele Street up to Federal Technical College, Asaba. Addressing reporters at the end of the inspection, Governor Oborevwori said no substandard project would be commissioned on the occasion of his 100 days in office.
I'm going around to inspect projects. I know the ones that we know we can commission. We can't rush some projects that know that they're not partly done and you start and go and commission them. No. We'll commission projects that we know that meets the specifications and all that. So when people see it, they know that we have commissioned good projects.
As a demonstration of his administration's commitment to an improved healthcare system in Delta State, Governor Oborevwori recently flagged off the maternal, newborn and child week in Asaba, the state capital, where he personally administered drugs to newborn babies. In view of the high prevalence of maternal and infant mortality in Nigeria, previous administrations had provided free health care for pregnant women and children under 5 years. Much to the relief of Deltans, the governor had promised to provide more incentives to effectively tackle maternal and infant mortality in Delta State.
This administration will not only continue the free health care for pregnant women and children under 5, but will also improve maternal, newborn and child health services in the states and expand the health insurance scheme to capture more people in the informal sector. Furthermore, we shall continue to implement policies and programs that will create wealth for our people so that they can invest in quality nutrition.
In the renewed campaign against maternal and infant mortality in Delta State, Governor Oborevwori had enjoined traditional rulers, religious leaders and local government council chairmen to embark on aggressive sensitization of the local populace to achieve desired results.
Inside the Niger Delta,